Right, so here we are, Gaspic Garage. This is one of the founders, Jamie. He's helped set up the car club. And this is his car behind, so I'll have a little chat. Jamie, tell us a bit about the big girl.
So it's just the original old Falcon.
Just stay together.
Just a 67 Falcon. It's got just a little small block in it, stout little small block, like a Boss motor. Nice stall converter in it, 9-inch. Just original old car. Interior's all original. Yeah, just keep it that way and try and keep it going and keep it alive.
It gets out, drives it
just everywhere.
Much as you can.
Yeah, just drive it everywhere. Go up to the shops in it.
It's got a big set of heads on it, eh?
Yeah,
like,
big set of heads, yeah. So the heads makes it sound nice, and just a little bit of comp in it, and nice cam. And
gearbox, the gearbox been done by Tom.
Yeah, Tom at TK Performance. He's done the gearbox in it, which is good builder on that stuff.
And he's helped out with a bit of other things on the car.
Yeah, just helped out with just 9-inch of the diff and things like that.
Sorted it out.
Yeah, just the original paint and original interior.
You want to sit in this one, mate? He seems to bloody
go barn, get into it.
He seems to sit in it. We need to test him out again. He sets them out.
This is my type of seat. A bit more comfy. Adam's was like I was bloody going around a racetrack, but this is nice.
Look at the old steering wheel on the dash. You can't. That's the thing. You can't.
Look at this, isn't it? It's cool. Big shifter.
They don't build them like this anymore. That's for sure, do they?
Nah, it's cool, mate.
Yeah, it's a nice old car. It does everything, doesn't it?
Yeah, just get in and go wherever you want in it.
Kids love it, don't they?
Yeah, kids love it. It'll get you where you want to go, and it's part of the club, and it's bloody, it's cool.
Well done, JT. Well done, mate.
Good on you, brother.